Hey everyone, welcome to another episode in the Gym Beginner series. Today I'll be going over how to build a workout schedule. First, we need to go back and review what our goals are. Being clear about your goals is essential because it guides what type of workouts you schedule. For example, if your goal is to build muscle mass and strength, you may want to schedule more lifting and strength training workouts than cardio. Or if your goal is fat loss, you might want to schedule more cardio since you burn a lot of calories more easily. Now let's figure out how often you should work out. As a beginner, you should aim for 3 to 4 times a week to see enough progress while also giving yourself time to rest and recover. As you gain more experience, you can up that to 4 to 6 times a week, but giving muscle groups enough time to recover between sessions. Next, we're going to choose your weekly split. A split is how you divide your workouts throughout the week. Some common splits are full body splits, where the entire body is trained 2 to 3 days a week with 1 to 2 days of dedicated cardio. That schedule looks like this. Another common split is upper-lower body split, where you alternate between upper body workouts one day and lower body workouts the next, typically 4 days a week, incorporating cardio 2 to 3 days, either on its own day or on the same day as a strength workout. That schedule looks like this. A third, more advanced split is push-pull legs, which you would do 4 to 6 days a week. On push days, you'll train your chest, shoulders, and triceps. On pull days, you'll train your back and your biceps, and legs on its own day, with cardio 1 or 2 times after a workout. That schedule would look like this. If strength training isn't as big a priority and you want to do more cardio, a cardio-focused schedule would incorporate 3 to 4 cardio workouts a week with 2 to 3 strength workouts. That schedule would look like this. Once you've selected your splits, you can go ahead and plan your workouts for each day. And here I've put together a guide for you to see what exercises you can perform for different muscle groups. Something I want to discuss is the concept of progressive overload. This principle means increasing the intensity of your workouts over time. This challenges your body and ensures you'll make progress on your fitness journey. In strength training, some ways to progressively overload include adding more weight to exercises when it starts to feel easy, performing more repetitions with the same weight, or adding extra sets in. The same can be done when it comes to performing cardio workouts. You can increase the distance or time during your steady state workouts, and for interval workouts, increase the intensity or reduce the recovery period. And just like we mentioned in the last video in the series, rest and recovery are just as important as the workouts themselves. So make sure you get enough sleep and rest to give your muscles time to recover and prevent injuries and overtraining. Now that you have a workout schedule in mind, how do you stick to it? Well, in the next episode, I'll go over how you can stay consistent. Thanks for watching.